Hi, thank you for joining me on In the Real and to the Point. I'm your host, Sharon Levette. I also want to say happy holidays to everyone, and I want to recognize all holidays, all celebrations, be you. What I want you to understand is this skit, Speed Limit is back. Yes. Yes. Okay? And we have a song, Little Girl, Big Truck. Okay? Let's ride out on that. And also, I want to speak to my politicians. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't take our rights. You can't speak for us. You do not have the rights to take literacy from the people. You can't stop people from reading. How dare you think that you can take books? You can let someone destroy a Bible, and yet you're trying to tell people how to educate the truth to our students, to our children, to our grandchildren. You don't have that right. We still are going to teach them the truth. Slavery existed. Horrible people exist. You can't take that from us. You can't hide that. You can't hide the truth. Okay? So stop it. Grow up. You must remember the people voted you in. We, the people of the United States of America. Okay? So stop it. Stop. You don't have the right to dictate our life, our livelihood, the people that we are, the people we choose to be, as long as we are functioning humans in this unjust society. You make it harder to live. You're the cause of a lot of stress around here with your white supremacy, or dare I not say that, or just your unjust, your inhumanity is what I should call it, inhumanity, because you are inhumane to everything that exists in this world. Okay, stop. Our children's gonna know the truth. What are you gonna do? You're gonna take all the books, you're gonna wipe out all the memories of how everyone was treated. I was born 1967. I'm a part of two centuries. Okay? So you can't hide the truth from me. You can't hide it. Stop it. Be blessed, and thank you for joining in the Real and to the Point. I'm your host, Sharon Levette, the Sojourner. Speed limit on the mic. I rock the mic so right. Can I get some help from you about these buffoons? Driving down 95. I'm plenty 55. Speed limit on the mic. Can I get some help from you? These politicians are acting like some damn fools. What is wrong with you trying to take our rights? What is wrong with you thinking that we won't fight? I'm a woman. So true. I love me too. I love me too, just like you love you. Why are you trying to take the best part of me? I'm a woman, strong and free. Speed limit coming through. Girl, big truck. Little girl, big truck. Hey, hey, hey. Little girl, big truck. Little girl, big truck. Little girl, big truck. If you dance down, if you can't if you can't dodge it, then ram it. If you can't dodge it, then ram it. Hey baby, hey, hey, hey baby, I'm a big girl, little girl, big truck, little girl, big truck, little girl, big truck, little mama, big truck, hot mama, big truck, hot mama, big promised land. Little girl, big truck, little girl, big truck, little girl, little girl, big truck, little promised land. Speed limits on the mile. Speed limit 55. Speed limit on the mile. Speed limit. Hey, speed limit. The fools. Thing one and thing two. Thing one and thing two. The promised land. Speed limits on the mic 1212. I need some help from all of you. Florida born and raised. Florida born and raised. Flow rider. Speed limit. Can I get some help? Can I get some help from you? They're acting like buffoons. About these buffoons, they're running around trying to steal the rights. I dare you, not standing fine. Big girl on the highway, hitting 95. I'm plenty 55. Land I was born, they're running around like thorns, trying to steal our pride, trying to take our rights. Hey, people, little girl, big truck, little girl, big truck, speed limits on the mic. Speed limits on the mic. I'm riding 95, riding 95. I'm plenty 55, plenty 55. Big girl, little truck, big girl, little truck, little mama, little mama, little girl, big truck, little girl, big truck. And I wanna say the promise I'm going down. I'm going down. 'Cause D&T is a clown. What they don't know about the boss. Slow motion has got me on this radio. Come and get you some. Baby, I don't play. 'Cause I'm speed limit and I'm grown as it. Don't you know? Big girls roll with Dodge truck. And I wanna say I am back. Do you wanna play? 'Cause I got game for you. Let's go, baby. Wiggy Ma is back, and Fran is too. We're on the road, we're having fun, filming shows. Don't forget the series of love's tragedy. We come to the end of the road. Speed limit is a goal. The time has come to end the show. Come back next week. We'll have some more. What you don't remember is how our balls roll. Speed limit's here, friend is too, so I gotta go. Friend, the friend is back for the Hardaway show. I'm in the real, it's to the point, so let us go.
Sir, put my head back in place.
We're having fun today. We're gonna make some waves. So get up off your feet and have a seat and let it show. Wiggy Mom's in the house, and Speed Limit is back. Join me on in the real and to the point. Hi, I want to thank you for joining me, Sharon Levette, the Sojourner, on In the Real and to the Point. Today we are doing Little Girl Big Truck, Little Girl Big Truck. And I want to thank you for joining me. Happy holidays as Memorial Day is here, as well as LBGTQ Pride Week, and also our Black History Juneteenth is coming up. But thank you, Gainesville, Florida, Alachua County, for celebrating Black History Juneteenth for the full length of May until Juneteenth. I'm stuttering on the words, but May 20th, all the states were cleared of slavery, but June 19th in 1865, that was when Texas let the slaves go. Okay, so I'm here voicing my opinion about how they're trying to steal our rights. And again, like the NAACP, how they're saying that Florida is a hostile state. I'm here to tell you, Florida's always been a hostile state. What it is now is those hoodies are coming off. Yes, those hoodies are coming off. Now you're seeing the true Florida, the Florida I grew up in, the Florida that in 1976, 1979, when the movie theater was uptown, the same city I had to run across the tracks to keep from being slaughtered, hurt, or maimed. Yes, Florida, please defend yourself. Please do not let these people come and try to take our rights. You can try to stop the truth, but the truth is already known. Okay? You can't take our First Amendment rights. You can't take our Second Amendment rights. Okay? So please, leave our bodies alone. What a person does with their body is their business. I don't judge. I don't care one way or the other. What I do with my body is my business. So what somebody else does with theirs is their business, not your business. You can not make laws pertaining to this. This is mine. So, as I said, thank you for joining In the Real and to the Point. I normally won't speak on some of this stuff, but don't come and try to take our rights, because now you're trying to hide the truth. You can take the books out of school, you can take the books, you can try to teach the kids the lies that you've been telling yourself for all these years. But there's inequality, injustice, oppression, suppression, and all of the other essions you want to add on, okay? So stop it. We're grown and we have parents. Our parents make our decision. If our parents can make a choice whether we go see a rated R movie, our parents should be able to take us wherever we want to eat, okay? Stop it. Thank you. Be blessed.